I'm Chief, man. You guys do what now?
So we're a approved factory for Fanatics, and one of the brands that Fanatics owns is Mitchell Ness. Awesome. So this factory's been manufacturing Mitchell Ness for about 8 years. Yeah, fully approved factory for NFL, NBA, NHL, all the major leagues, sporting leagues in the US.
From scratch, top to bottom.
Top to bottom, yeah. You do full development work, full production. We're really known for kind of overdyes, definitely fleece and jersey. Really like into like patchwork and things like that. So like 4 PKs, you can just see here, like you've got full embroidery with kind of felt inlay. You've obviously got your faux leather here, but with full kind of patchwork design. And we, because where we've developed the factory, you know, even this type of design, we took the seam outside of the arm, just so you could get the full print across the full tee. So usually you have a seam in arm, but just so it's nice and clean, you know. So you know, like full development work, you know, like building relationships and building brands with factories are really important, right? Because you'll always get your premium quality and your finish that you need, you know.
And what's your MOQ?
MOQs, we like 300s, but we start from 100 onwards, but then we charge an FOB surcharge, just because there's still workmanship and labour involved, you know.
Oh man, this is some really awesome stuff. So like you said, they do 300 pieces. They can do 100, but it might cost a little bit more. But this is top of the line. Like I said, they're working with Fanatics. You know, man, it's a pleasure meeting you, brother.
You too, man. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you for your time, man. Thank you.
And you guys have social media or anything like that?
Do you know what? We've got a website. It's www.campotextiles.com.
Okay.
Outside of that, you can hit me up on WhatsApp and yeah.
No Alibaba?
No Alibaba for here. I am Alibaba.
He is the Alibaba. Dope, man.
Yeah,
dope,
awesome.
dope.
All right, sick.